Good morning, dear children. Nice to see you. So just like last week, we are going to do division, but a little different. Okay? We are going to do problems on division, just like we did in multiplication. But before that, let me ask you some mental questions. So are you ready? Some of you are ready. Some of you are saying, wait. Ready? Okay. So just say that you have 77 sweets and you want to distribute the sweets among 11 friends. 77 sweets divided by 11. So how many sweets would one of your friends get? Very good. 7, because 11 sevens are 77. Let's try another one. Okay. You have 200 marbles and you want to distribute it among 50 of your friends in class 5A. So how many marbles would each get? So how will you write this up? 200 divided by 50. How many would one friend get? Good. 4. 50 fours are 200. So in the same way, we are going to do the problems. But when we do problems, we must write the statements. So let's go step by step. Okay? So the first statement we have to make from here. It says, Solam had 11,250 stamps. Now, and he wants to put it inside an album. Okay? He wants to put it inside an album. Let's write stamps here and in something else. So let me read that question again. So I have 11,250 stamps. He can put 9 stamps on each page of the album. How many pages can we fill? So let's look at this step. This first one, and write the statement. Number of what? Stamps. Okay. How many? 1,250. So how many? 11,250. Now we have finished writing the first statement. Now let's write the second statement. He can put only 9 stamps on each page. Number of stamps, so we can write the statement. Number of stamps in each page or one page. Let's write each page. How many? 9. So we have written our statements. Now we have to write the third statement, but we are not going to write it here. When we finish doing the sum, we write it at the bottom. Okay? So let's start. Number of stamps, 11,250. Number of stamps in each page, 9. So let's see in how many pages he's going to put all these stamps. How many pages is required? So let's do that sum. We won't read the third part of the question. So 11250. I hope everyone knows the 9 times table. Good. So 9 doesn't go to 1, we must take 2 digits. 9 ones are 9. Borrow, top number smaller, 2. Bring down 2. How much do we have here? 22. Good. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Can we do 27? No. So let's do 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. We cannot put that, so which is the right answer? 18. 9 2s are 18. What? Borrow. Good. 12 minus 8, 4. Bring down 5. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. We got our answer there. 9 5s are 45. 0 0. We've got one more number to bring down. Let's bring down that 0. How many times does 9 go to 0? Very good. Because 0 times 9 zeros are 0. So now we are finished with the sum. Let's read the question. How many pages can he fill? So we have to write the statement. I don't have space here, so I will write it at the side. Therefore, he can fill how many pages? Yes, 1250 pages. So the question says, how he has this many stamps. How many pages is required if he puts 9 stamps on each page? So the answer is 1250. I hope you understood. So let's try another one. Later on also, you will be getting a self-assessment test. Please copy all the questions from the self-assessment test into your maths exercise book. Do those questions and then tick the correct option. Okay? Tick the correct option. So let's do the second question now. There are 5, 0, 2, 6, 9 marbles. Wow. So how many marbles? 50,269. And those marbles has to be distributed among 23 friends. 23 boys, 23 boys will take the marbles, or 20 boys will share the marbles equally. Okay? 20 boys will share the marbles equally. And now the question. How many marbles are left? Okay? So, let's not read the third part of the question. Let's read only the first two to make the statements. There are 50,269 marbles. 23 boys will share the marbles equally. So, the first statement. Number of marbles. How many? 50,269. And how many has to share? 23. Number of boys. 23. Now we have written our statements. We have written the sum. So let's do the working out. This working out can be done in a rough column, but it's better to do it below this one. So 50269 divided by 23. Remember the trick the last time I taught you? I hope you remember. So take this first 2, 1 is number, and look at this. 2 will go to 5 how many times? 2 2s are 4. Okay, let's try with 2 only. 23, 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. We've got 46. 46 is less than 50? Yes, but let's make sure. and multiply with 3 times. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. You got 69. Can you put 69 here? No. Very big. I hope you are trying this trick so that you may have to multiply only once or twice. So 23 2s are 46. 0 minus 6. Some of you are saying 6. Remember, the top number is smaller. What should you do? Borrow. 10 minus 6, 4. Bring down 2. Okay? So 23 will go into 42 how many times? Let's see. 23 2s are 46. Can we put 46? No. So come down one number. 23. 1s are 23. 2 minus 3, borrow, good. 12 minus 3, 9. 3 minus 2, 1. Bring down 6. How much do we have here? 196. 2 and 1. 2 is bigger, so we take 2 digits. 2 will go into 900 times. 2 9s are, but come down one number. So 23 8s are. 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18. We got our answer. But let's do it once more. 9 3s are 27, 9 is 18, 19, 20. See, we got our answer so quickly. Just by multiplying twice, we got our answer. So which one can we write? Yes, 184. How many times? 8 times. 1, 8, 4. 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Bring down 9. How much do we have here? 129. Again, use that same trick with 2. 2 is bigger than 1. So use 2 digits. 2 will go into 12 how many times? 6 times. Yes or no? Come one number down. So 23, 5. 5 is a 15. 5 is a 10, 11. We found our answer, but let's make sure that it is the right one. 1, 6. 6 is a 18, 6 is a 12, 13. So we see we found the answer by multiplying it once also. So 23, 5 is a 150. 9 minus 5, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. So now let's look at the question, what the question says. How many marbles are left? It is not saying how many can each get. It is saying how many marbles are left. Means we have to write the remainder as the answer. How much remainder? 14. So therefore, 14 marbles are left. Okay, we don't have to write the top one. The question tells us to write the remainder. That means remainder. So let's do a third one. Now in class I do a lot of sums. Yes or no? Yes. So the more I do, the better you will understand. Let's do the third one. A man plants. A man plants 9,625 trees. Wow. In 45 rows. Okay, I'm not going to write the full question, it will take 10. A man plants 96,255 trees in 45 rows. So we have to find how many plants will there be in each row? How many plants are there in each row? Okay, so let's begin. First statement. So we can begin the statement by saying number of trees. Very good. Number of trees. How many? 96,255. Remember, in your self-assessment test also, you will be getting like these sums. But you must copy it in your exercise book. Do all the 5 sums. After that, check your self-assessment test and whatever answer you get there, you put a tick or you just press that option. 45. So we have made the first statement. Now let's look at the second statement. There's only this much. From there you have to make the statement. So what can you write? Yes, you can write number of rows. So now how much? How many? 45. Now let's do the sum. 9, 6, 2, 5, 5 and 45. So we have written this. Now again let's use that simple trick. Put 4. 4 is smaller than 9, so 4 will go in 9 how many times? 4 2s are 8. Yes, so let's do it. 45 2s are 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 9. We got the answer 9. Yes, we can put it there. But let's do it one more time by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 4 are 12, 30, 135. Can you put 135? No. So how many times? Twice. 45. 2s are 90. 6 minus 0, 6, 9 minus 9, 0. Bring down 2. Again, use that same simple trick. 4 and 6. 4 will go to 6 how many times? Once. Because twice is 90. So 45 ones are 45. Borrow. 12 minus 5, 7. 5 minus 4, 1. Bring down 5. Again, the same 4 and 1. 4 is bigger, so we take 2 digits 17. 4 goes to 17 how many times? 4 4s are 16. Okay, so let's try it. 45. 4s are. We could have come down one step, but let's do it this way. 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. Can we put that there? No. So we have to come down once. So 45. 3s are. 3 5s are 50, 3 4s are 12, 30, 135. Good, we can put that. So how many times? 3 times. 135. 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 3, 4, 0. Bring down 5. Okay? So let's start again. 4 goes to 4 how many times? 4 ones. Wow, but this is 405. So maybe let's look at 4 and 40. 4 goes to 40 how many times? 4 tens are 40. Let's come down once. 45. 9. 9 5s are 45. And 36. 40. Wow, we got an answer in one go. 45. 9s are 405. Now let's read the question to make the last statement. How many plants are there in each row? How many? Very good. Therefore, 2,339 plants, or we can say trees. 2,139 trees are there in each room. Remember, children, to write the statement below this, because I cannot write it on the wall. Okay? So again, let me remind you, today we are doing division, problems on division. Remember to copy all the questions from the self-assessment test onto your exercise book. Do it in your exercise. Do all 5 sums in your exercise book. And then open the self-assessment test again, and whatever answer option you see there, if your answer tallies with that, then you click. So children, we'll see you next week. Stay home, stay safe, and don't trouble your parents. Study. Okay? So when we come back to school, we can correct your books. Bye.